Did your iPhone battery suddenly start draining very fast after updating to iOS 18.7.9? Maybe your iPhone is overheating, lagging, freezing, or losing battery much faster than before. If you are using an iPhone XR, XS, or iPhone 11, you are definitely not alone. Many users started reporting problems right after the update, especially on older iPhones with low battery health for storage or heavy social media use. In this video, I will show you some real fixes you can try to reduce battery drain, overheating, and performance issues on iOS 18.7.9. And if normal fixes don't work, I will also show you a tool called AnyFix that can repair iOS system problems without complicated steps. Let's start with the most common issue, battery drain. A lot of people say their battery now drains overnight during a standby mode while watching videos or even while the phone is locked. Some people report losing 20% battery in just a few minutes. Another common problem is overheating. Your iPhone may become hot while charging, using TikTok or Instagram, playing games, or sometimes even during normal browsing. And there's also lag and freezing problems. Some users notice keyboard delay, slow animations, apps crashing randomly, or the touchscreen responding slower than normal. So, what can you do? First, check your battery health. Go to Settings, then Battery, and open Battery Health. If your battery health is below 80%, your battery may already be degraded and struggling after the update. Next, try turning off background apps refresh for apps you don't really need. You gotta go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and disable it for unnecessary apps. This can help reduce hidden battery usage running in the background. Now, if your iPhone is still overheating, lagging, or draining battery very fast, the problem could be related to the iOS system itself. And this is where AnyFix can help. AnyFix is a repair tool designed to fix many different iPhone system problems without requiring technical experience. It can repair over 150 iOS issues, including update errors, freezing problems, boot issues, black screens, and other software-related bugs. One thing I like is that it also has a repair mode that works without deleting your personal data. Using it is very simple. Just download and install AnyFix on your computer. The link is in the description below. Once you open the program, the first thing you need to do is click on Repair System. This is the main tool used to fix iOS issues. Next, choose the device bug option, and after that, connect your iPhone using a USB cable. The software will then show you 3 repair options. The first one is the safest method. It fixes the system without deleting all your personal data. You can think of it as a basic repair. The second one performs a deeper repair of the system, but it will erase everything stored on your device. And the last is the most complete repair method. It reinstalls the entire firmware from scratch, almost like setting up a brand new iPhone system. For this situation, it's recommended to begin with the standard repair. If the issue continues, you can then try Advanced or Ultimate Repair. Now, the software will walk you through the process step by step, and it will ask you to place your iPhone into recovery mode. Don't worry, because AnyFix provides simple on-screen instructions based on your iPhone model. After your iPhone enters recovery mode, the program will recognize it automatically. Then, you'll see a page asking you to download the newest iOS version. You don't need to search for it online because AnyFix handles everything for you. Just pick the folder where you want to save the file, click Download, and wait for it to finish. The download time depends on your internet connection, but it usually only takes a few minutes. When the download is done, click Next, and from this point, the software will begin repairing your iPhone automatically. The repair normally takes around 10 to 15 minutes. During this process, don't disconnect your iPhone or try to use it. Once the process is finished, you will see a message confirming that the repair was successful. Your iPhone will go back to the home screen, and if you use a standard repair, or your files and data should still be there. This process can help fix battery drain, overheating, and performance problems caused by system bugs after an iOS update. So before replacing your battery or buying a new phone, it's definitely worth trying these fixes first. And if you want to check out AnyFix, you can find the download link in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.